We're going to talk a little bit more about this morning's earnings and what could be ahead for the broader markets. Joining us is Jason Brady. He is president and CEO of Thornburg Investment Management. And Jason, you guys have what, 41 billion in management, assets under management?
That's right.
Okay.
Right.
So you're watching earnings season. You're hearing what these people have to say. You're watching the gains we've seen in the market in the first part of the month so far. What do you think? How are you feeling about things?
I feel like the market's gotten a little bit ahead of itself. Joe talked about this morning that GE's up almost 100% from 3 months ago. So where you are is sort of a product of where you've been. 2022 was about normalization. So you saw rates normalize, you saw earnings multiples normalize. Now in 2023, it's really about their earnings themselves. And what we're seeing this morning is that it's a mixed picture. The banks were good, consumers strong, but some of the industrial names are having a little bit more trouble in keeping with the PMIs that we've seen rolling over for 6 months now.
Yeah, I was a little surprised by some of the guidance that we're getting for 2023. 3M sounded like things are pretty rough. Things were rough for them in the fourth quarter. It got worse towards the end of December. What changes? Part of what they talked about was China was a problem. Does China reopening solve that problem or not?
It does to a certain. It solves that problem, right?
Yeah.
What we're also getting another solution is that the strong dollar challenge to a lot of earnings over 2022 is reversed quite a lot, right? So you're going to see less of that excuse. I think you're going to see more of the excuse, not only of weather, obviously travelers, but you're going to see more of the excuse of a slowing economy, a tough macroeconomic environment, which again you're seeing in these numbers right now.
One thing, Hans Vesper was just here, and he said from what he sees with the consumer business, and he's been very focused on it because he's gone back to run that business, that consumers look pretty good in the fourth quarter, and that trend was continuing. I guess it just depends on what your business is.
Oh, what we see at Thornburg is the balance sheet of the consumer is okay, right? So, Moynihan has been on the record of saying, look, people have lots of cash in their checking account,
sure,
but the income statement's coming down, right? Especially on a real basis. Obviously, inflation hitting different parts of the consumer, different areas, different economic spectrums. So as you look forward, the retail sales number in December, it's just one number, but the retail sales number was saying, hey, look, maybe we're not going to spend as much, even if defaults, as you saw earlier from bank earnings, are actually pretty good.
So what do you like?
I think outside the U.S., you have a lot more opportunity. Valuations are low now. That's always true. I get it. But even adjusting for sector differences, right? So less tech, you're seeing valuations outside the U.S., particularly in Europe, be interesting. That has rallied quite a little bit. So I'm maybe less enthusiastic than if you asked me even a month ago. But that dollar is going to be less of a headwind globally. You're seeing the China reopening, which is actually more of a tailwind to a lot of places outside the U.S. and just a much, much more target-rich environment than in the U.S.